Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on DashCam channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on Java's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show.
Cut out your brain, turn you into a zombie.
And you know they really did that.
Yeah,
They really did that.
they really did
They
that.
really did that.
I had a professor in college who used to work at an asylum and was the weirdest dude ever. It was an awful class on like psychiatry, and he was kind of talking glowingly about lobotomies, and like someone asked
Pay close attention to this crazy driver here. He overtook the camera over a double solid yellow line and he blocked his way. Unbelievable how self-entitled some drivers behave in traffic nowadays.
Scored first 2-0, the final one's clear, but in a way it means that it's back in your own hands again.
Always make sure to pay close attention at the road ahead, guys, because you can never know when you might run into a traffic stop, and unfortunately this driver had to learn his lesson the hard way. Driver forgot he had a stop sign at the intersection here, and to make things even worse, his view was partially blocked by another vehicle. Taking all these things into account, this crazy driver was still not thinking about stopping and proceeding with caution at the intersection here.
Oh! Oh, what the hell?
This was a bad idea.
Oh, well.
Just a little bit.
You know, the first one. gotta get right over. That's the thing.
What a winner.
See? That's what I thought. I had to exit.
Nope. What happened to me on the motorcycle? Come on already. Get off the frickin' phone.
I think you're right.
You weren't gonna stop, were you? Eh? Eh?
I want you to pay close attention at the driver at the top of the queue here. As he was trying to exit the parking lot and onto the road, he had multiple occasions to do so, but for some odd reason, he decided to stall and wait, as if he purposely wanted to go on drivers' nerves that were behind him.
What the? Thank you very much.
Beep at this guy now, and you're behind him like beep.
Or men in blue dedicate their lives on the line every time they step outside for a line of duty in order to work, and in this situation, the camera caught an arrest live on his dashcam. Make sure to never flee away from the cops, guys, no matter the mistake you make. In this situation here, we have a careless driver who ran a red light, and his careless move is about to cost him dearly. Check out what happened next.
Like this big.
哦，让我们看什么东西啊？哇哦！
Wow, what is that?
哦，你去。
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera here. This guy was backing up, but he didn't check his mirrors while doing so, and he hit the camera. However, that's not the most shocking part of it all. One driver was way too impatient for his own good. He passed the camera way too dangerously and way too fast. The bad thing is that all of this happened right in front of a police officer.
Thank you! Thank you! There you go, stupid!
Why?
No, they hire someone.
They hired someone.
They hire someone as a translator. See, that wouldn't make any sense because how the.
Huh?
That's not bad. Look at that.
Yeah, look underneath the license plate. See the two holes?
Damn.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Koron DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.